from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Renault Clio here on a 2005 plate. Just replacing the rear stop lamp on this. I'm going to show you how it's done. But before any of that, I'm going to show you which one it is. Now if you could press the brakes for me please. Now as you can see, that one there is working. And this one isn't working, but you've got the brake light. That there is working as well. So you've got the centre one working, the passenger rear, but the driver rear is not working. Now if we switch let go of the brakes, now switch the lights on. Now as you can see, they're both working. Now press the brakes, that there is working, this one isn't. Now to do it, it's a quite simple procedure. Lights off. Now you've got a plug right here. That's it, that's all you got to do is undo this plug. Now for any reason, if this is really tight, I think you've got an hex size on there as well, which shouldn't be tight anyway. But if it is, then use a plier, shove a plier in there and then gently open it upwards. But if you got an X, that'd be a T30 or something, you know. I honestly don't know the size, but it'll be a T30 I think. Once that's done, you come round, all you then do is pull the light out gently, and as you can see, these little lugs here, they're slot right in there. Okay, now what you could do is you could unplug it from here if you push it in and then pull the plug out gently. But as you can see, this wire is taped up and everything, so what I'm going to do, I'm not going to mess around with the plug itself, just in case if it's got an electrical problem. So what I do, clip, and then pull. Then I've got the bottom one, clip, and then pull the whole thing out. Now good thing about these bulbs, now you can see there's a tape around there as well, so I don't know why he's done that. But you can change pretty much everything. So you've got the indicator, reverse, tail light, position lamp, and the fog lamp as well. The bulb you need is a 380, so it is a double filament bulb. You can find that in the description, the link for it, or the end of the video as well. You'll have a link. And there's a playlist for Renault, so if you did want to know any other things about Renault, you can check it out. So there's only one way this would go as well, so that sort of clips in nicely. But if I take it out, do it this way, it won't do it. So that's in. So before I do that, can you just press the brakes for me only? That's lovely. So let go. Tail light, side position lamp. That's it. Press the brakes. Brilliant. Off. That's it. So now that we know it's working, what we're going to do is put it back together. So if I slot it in, got to be very careful with this because Renaults do suffer from electrical faults, so I really don't want any issues with this. Now you can see they're meant to be a clip here as well to hold this in place, but for some reason it's not there. I wouldn't really worry about it because this is nice and tight now. So I slot it through the little gaps here, the lugs sticking out. That's it. And then on the inside I'll just plug this in. There's a hole right there, you can see right there. So if I screw it in, just nip it up, don't go too mad on it. That's it. So 1, 2 and 3. Just check. Right, now that's done. We're going to check the lights, make sure it's working. Could you press the brakes for me? That's it. Put this position, let go of the brakes. Side lights on. Now press the brakes again. That's lovely. Now let go. Alright, that's it, that's all done. That's all it was on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. There is a playlist for Renault, so if you need something in particular, like for the headlight bulb or anything else, you can check it out. Service resets, you can check them out. Tire pressure resets, you can check them out as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the video, thank you, and goodbye.